this video the best solution to fix this problem that you have on your WhatsApp. So watch this video till the end. Open your settings of your device first. Click next right now on your apps option and search for WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp like this. Here now scroll this list down and click storage and click clear cache. So back now, click on force stop and click OK. So after that, you should go to Play Store, open it and search for WhatsApp. If you found the update like this, just update your WhatsApp. Next, just restart your device and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.